Today we're going to talk about bonds and what they are. Imagine you want to start a lemonade stand, but don't have enough money. So, you borrow from your friend and want to make sure they get paid back with interest. This is how bonds work. It is like a special type of loans. When a company or the government needs money, they can issue bonds. People buy these bonds, and in return, the company or government promises to pay them back with some interest. The interest paid on bonds is usually a fixed amount, so bond owners know exactly how much money they will receive each year. This makes bonds a more stable investment than stocks, but there's a catch. Bonds usually have a lower return on investment. Simply put, the profits are a bit low. There are different types of bonds, but they all work in the same basic way. So there you have it, guys, a simple explanation of what bonds are. Bonds can be a great way to diversify your investment portfolio and earn a steady return, but remember, it's important to understand the risks involved. Subscribe to take control of your finances.